Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix projecting in Windows in a very simple way. Facing your projecting is disabled or you can't project other devices with your laptop or PC, then this video is for you. You just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you will get an option called setting. After that, you will get an option called system over here. If you click on that, then if you scroll down a little bit, you will get an option called projecting to this PC. If you click on that, then you will get an option called optional feature. If in your PC, if you're showing some red error over here, you just simply connect it with your Wi-Fi. If you connect it with your Ethernet, they turn it off and they come over with this Wi-Fi into your laptop or PC. And then you just need to click on this optional feature, and then you will need to select this view features. And from here, you just need to search for awareness display over here. So if you checked it and then click next, click on add, it will download it into your optional features. So it will take some seconds for that. You just need to keep patience. Then you can see that the wireless display adapter is downloaded and now they are restart required. So if you just simply restart right now and your wireless display will be open and you will able to use it. So this way you can fix projecting into your Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, bye.